All right, so Zilby is in the room, and I put up a new where I figured out and reset his like an old tree, and he's hanging out in that on the other side of the room. So I'm gonna see if I can figure out how to set up the camera for that, so we can see him lounging over there, which is not close, but he does seem to be enjoying it. So let's see if we can figure that out. All right, cat cam on. Wait, that didn't turn a cat cam on. Oh, that's because the camera is not plugged into the computer. That would do it. All right. Well, now I need to go find. Oh, is it this? Okay, I don't think that was it. I can get a wire tracing time. Okay, I saw a red dot on the camera, so that it has power now. Let's see. It's the only other camera it can be. Aw. Deactivate and activate it again didn't work. Oh, there it goes. Okay. All right. Let me try device. Okay. And I want to. Nope, that was the wrong command. I want. Oh, it's the wrong keyboard. That's why. There you go. Now you can see Zilby hanging out in his new old tree. Maybe we could put him in the center. That I don't know how helpful that is. We'll just put him here, and that'll have to be fine. All right, so we got Zilby back, hanging out with us in his new old tree. Okay, so what did I want to look into now? I wanted to look into the Helix API to see what other events that we can possibly look at. And I think it was the event sub, right? I think so. Event sub. Subscription types. I think this is it. So this is all the ones that we can look at. Now, channel update, broadcaster updates their channel properties, category, title, content, classification limit. Okay, so that's not going to be it. I could do something fun for when I get a follow. Okay, channel ad break begin. A mid-roll commercial break has started running. That's a little bit too late, right? Like I would like this to be at the very least like 5 seconds, 10 seconds before it starts running. Okay, I can get chat messages through this API. That's cool. Channel chat notification. That could be interesting because I think I get chat notifications for a minute before the ad starts. So maybe that would work. Ooh, okay. I didn't see anything about the ad schedule. I just see when the ad is starting. So this might be something that we can do, and at the very least, this would, or at the very most, this would just like maybe say out to the channel like ad break started or something like that. I'm not sure, or maybe we can have this might be good for like putting up a message on screen like Twitch ad started. I'm not sure what I want to do with this. I would love to have Twitch ad about to start. Oh, we're looking at the channel subscriptions that we can do. Oh, is the screen frozen? Oh, the screen is frozen. Oh no. Hold on. Oh, that okay. Me playing around with USB with the cat cam messed up USB for the capture card. So I have to unplug and replug that in too. There we go. Okay, so you're back now. Thank you for that, Institute. Well, we had a cat to look at, so there was that. All right, so there are two things that I think we can look into for the ad break. So we have the channel ad break begin, but I believe that's like actually channel ad break begin. Like it's actually beginning now and has started running, which means that you probably are already in the ad break by the time that this goes. Channel chat message. No, not any user sends a message to a specific chat room. That's not. Channel chat notification might be the other one. This one might be more interesting because this might have like an ad is going to start in 60 seconds. Can you set up a poll to do the Helix request outside of this API? What do you mean? I'm set up a poll to do the Helix request? Oh, so it's different API instead of this one? Instead of the event sub? We could just hit the different API as well. I don't know. The API that we're using, the Twitch API, is basically just using the pub sub behind the scenes for us. And I'm not completely sure I can switch that to poll. But I might be able to also. Okay, so there's a get ad schedule. Where is that? So that's not under event sub. Well, why can't I search for that? Why is that? Okay. Docs reference get ad schedule. There it is. This endpoint returns ad schedule related information, including snooze, when the last ad was run, when the next ad is scheduled, and if the channel is currently in pre-roll free time. Note that a new ad cannot be run until okay, yeah. Authorization require. Okay, so must be me. That's fine. I can definitely run a thread that just runs this over and over and over again. We might be able to do this. So this may be something that we can look into. Now, currently I have Twitch events listener. Now, Twitch events listener, what is this? This is just Twitch API? Oh, so I get a Helix client. It's is how do I know if it's the Helix client or not? Okay, it is the Helix client, right? Because there's the URL Helix client there. So if I do Twitch Helix client This is called get ad schedule. Channel schedule. Oh no. Okay. I don't see it get ad. Hmm. This makes me think that the Twitch API crate doesn't have what we want. That's a good question. I don't know. So here's all the endpoints that they have access to right now. Oh, schedule. Oh, there's nothing schedule in here. What? It's weird. This is under. Yeah, okay, so get ad schedule. This page is not complete. More endpoints have been implemented. Great. Cool. Issues. How? Okay, I don't know how schedule got from that. How about there's nothing closed? Okay. Let's see. You're wondering if there is a custom endpoint method. Oh, that's too bad. In our current documentation, I don't even know where to find custom endpoints in here. Like, okay, so we have Helix endpoints. Okay, so it looks like they don't have the get ad. Okay, so how about we search for schedule? You know that some REST API creates, like the GitHub one, had a way to send a request to a URL for APIs that weren't implemented. This crate doesn't seem to have that. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Yes, there's that schedule. Okay, so I would imagine that it would be in here. And so, okay, get channel stream schedule. So if I were to like try to use this, so Twitch, get channel, yeah. So we have access to the get channel schedule here. So if there, if it was implemented for me, I should just be able to do it. Okay, so there's none of that. The other thing that we were considering that might be helpful was get add schedule, which no, that's the one you were talking about. No, where was the other one? It was the okay, the channel chat notification subscription type sends a notification when an event that appears in chat occurs, such as someone subscribing to the channel or a subscription is gifted. And that one, I have said that it should put the ads when it's going to start 1 minute beforehand into chat, which I believe might be one of these. Check the Helix module docs. Sure. So Helix module. And so this is what we got. We got channels. Schedule. Like maybe streams. I was thinking that example could be used, but I think you would need to implement that trait yourself. Oh, yeah. And that would probably be, that'd probably not really work. Get channel information for users. I was hoping that would like have a, hey, I want more than just a stream schedule, right? Okay, that's literally just the stream schedule. So that's not it. Streams. No, there's this rec get. What's that? Request an invalid request get endpoint. Can I send it anything? It's interesting. All right, so ad is starting in 1 minute. I'm not seeing that show up in chat. Hold on. Okay, so is there... Well, I'm going to go into settings to see... Okay, first of all, I'm going to snooze the ad. Oh, now it shows up as incoming ad break. It doesn't always show up, which is weird. I'm not sure why that is, but maybe... Okay, so maybe it will show up in the API and not always the GUI. So that would be this. I want... Channel chat notification. See, that's not here. Where am I putting my requirements? Subscribing to events. There it is. Okay, so I'm subscribing to create. Okay, so subscription event channel. Okay, so I have to do this twice, right? Nope, I can't do another. How do I do multiple? So create event subscription isn't here. Subscription E. I don't think I can do like another create there until I await it. Can't do another create there. Oh, they implemented get ad schedule 2 months ago on the main branch. Okay, so it's coming soon. All right. That's good to know. So what I want to do is follow. Let's start it and I will watch. When they release, when they do a release, I should get a notification and see. Yeah, when was the last release? There's that 8 months old. Okay, so when they do a new release again, we should get access to this. Okay. So ad schedule is just probably not something we can do. Although one thing I would love to to know is like, how do I add in more of these? What do I do to get like to have multiple event subscriptions at the same time? Because I have that transport coin token. That's just a single one. Do I have to do multiple? So I do client like this. Do I need to do this again? And say like client event sub channel chat. Uh-oh. Okay, new ad starts in 40 seconds or so. Let me snooze. I'm going to snooze it again. 5 more minutes. Okay, this is channel chat notification. So it'd be channel chat. Oh, okay. So they have not created one for this either. Okay. So that's not going to work. So either way, it's not going to work with the release that they have right now. And I am not. I mean, we could try going to the main branch and like whatever the commit they have right now, but I don't think that's a good idea. I'm not really like big on doing that. So I think we'll just leave it like this, and then when that gets updated, I'll probably figure it out. We just came back from lunch, but this crate is lacking. But as far as my search went, this is the most up to date one you could find. Okay, that's unfortunate. So hopefully soon they'll have a new version gets released that has more of the functionality and more of the features. Okay, so um, is there anything else that we want to do with this? You know what? There is one more thing we can do. We can change the font on Alacrity. So Alacrity, it's actually a little bit nicer here because I have this font.toml here. If I helix the font.toml and we change, like right now we have font family Ayurveda. If I change this, the Helix update broke all the old ones, and nobody is really rushing to make Twitch API crates, it seems. Well, yeah, if they're going to break all this stuff constantly, of course nobody's going to rush to do it. This is going to be up to date until they decide to break it, which is going to be great. What's in their font? Fira code? I think I have Fira code. So if I save that, it like immediately changes that. Oh, there I don't have Fira code. So I have Menlo. And that obviously changes the code. If I go back to Ayurveda, it then sort of like that just immediately updates everything, and that's perfectly fine. So as long as I have the font, we can do this. So that'd be viewer rewards, channel points, manage. Okay, so custom, add a new custom reward. All right, this is gonna be. It's not it. This one. Change change terminal font. Okay, so change the terminal font. If it can't find the font, Menlo will be used. Require you to enter text. Cost, let's do another 1,000 for this. Okay, so that exists. And I broke all of you. It's not update you. That's fine. All right, for you, I want to... Now, okay, so it's going to be the same custom reward here, so I don't have to change any of you. We have to change something up here. It's the enum. The stream event enum. We get the title, the username, and the theme. So I probably want to change this. It's no longer the theme. This is like the text that I guess this is the input that you provide. So the viewer input. Match title. Change Helix theme. Viewer input. That's fine there. Okay, so if it's change Helix theme, self change Helix theme. Why are you upset? No such field. Oh, because this is theme like that. Okay, so then this would be change font. Okay, and looking at our viewer rewards. Wait, where did it go? Okay, so change Helix theme. All right, so this is, oh, includes uppercase too. So I want change terminal font. Change font. Okay, so we have username is you, and then a font is going to be the viewer input. Okay. All right, so besides those unused variables, that's fine. All right, so that updates you, and now you come in over here. Why did this? Okay, I'm not happy about like Zellage now changing the order that these come in. I want you to be over there, please. Okay, so that just runs the change Helix theme function directly there. That's great. But, okay, so yeah, it matches change Helix theme. Where's the commands to randomize your layout? That would be a fun one. I don't think that Zellage has one to randomize the layout. That would be hilarious though. Especially if you get me in the middle of typing stuff and now it just starts typing in random places. Super dangerous, but also hilarious. Okay, so change font, we get username and font. And I want to, what do I want to do with this? I want to, okay, so I have change Helix theme. We need a new application to actually like change the font. So I guess until then we will do a, not a to do, we'll do a print line. What? Print line. Let's see. This is username, changing the font to font. No variant name, change font. That's a lie. Liar. Do I have to save it? Okay, maybe. All right, so you're working. So now if we do the change font, change terminal font, and we just say, I don't know, hello. Nope, this one. Oh, got an unknown stream event. Okay, that's not great. Change terminal font. Okay, well, just because that's going to cause me to have problems, let's do. Wait, go to references, go to implement. Go to implement. Oh, it doesn't know it. Okay. Okay, so title. So title to lowercase. Reference like that. Okay. So stream event to lowercase. Now you can be lowercase. 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 Okay. Then that should be happy. Can't tell if it's a photo or if Zilby is just staying that still. Nope, that's a photo now. What? Oh, okay, come on, camera. There. Okay, that's live. I wonder if I need to. Let me try plugging that into a different port because that might be the problem. Is like I chose one of those ports that are not good anymore. So let me try. Oh, let me try putting it down into the Live and way overexposed. Yeah. How do I change that too? Because like the light is like pointing over there more, so it's like more indirect light coming to me, but he's getting more of the direct light from the well, stream lights. Let's see properties. Yeah, I don't know what to do about that. Color space, no. Yeah, it's super bright. I will I'll have to think about that. I don't know how to like set up the. Oh wait, no, we can do filters, right? I can do a filter on it. Audio filter for no, video filter for color key. It's a little bit better. Con. I think that's right. I'm sure that there's something in here that I can do. I just don't know what the right thing that I want to do is. I can make him. Well, I can make him pastel. That's not right. I mean, I could do some of that, but that just really quickly goes out of control, really bad. I don't know. I don't know enough about these color settings to know how to change it to be better. That doesn't do anything at all. All right. Well, maybe I'll maybe for next time I'll figure out a better place to put his tree, and that way it will be less overexposed and we can just watch him that way. That's probably what the best thing to do. Okay. So, in the meantime, next time it oh nope, it froze again. That's cool. He's looking up now. Okay, I'm gonna unplug and replug it in somewhere else. Okay, I put it down in the new series of USB. Let's see if that. Oh no, I can't see that at all. Oh, that those USBs aren't visible. Or it's not loading the camera. That's not great. Okay, plugged into the front. Maybe you'll be happy with that. Yeah, okay. That's good. Now Zippy's sitting up. Ah, you can see him live and good now. Okay. I like it. Okay. So, that being said, change the font. I want to do the same thing that we did with change Helix theme, except now it's going to be a font. I'm kind of thinking about just cloning the change Helix project because this is going to be, well, a different thing. So let's go ahead and create a new app for this called change Alacrity font. Interesting that that's way better too, because I don't know, I didn't do anything to the camera itself. But I changed the USB port. I wonder if there's some kind of noise. That's super weird and interesting. I don't really know. I don't know what to say about that. Maybe it was freezing before any kind of control inputs go back and forth. That could be it too. Maybe. When he does major movement again, I'll take a look and make sure that it's not frozen on him. But he's just sort of doing that, staring off into space. Okay, so I want to let's clone. Oh, not one here. Change Alacrity fonts. Okay, let's ditto change Helix theme to change Alacrity font. I'm going to reset Git. So we're going to remove Git. Everything else is the same. Okay. My Helix config path. Again, oh, I guess like this time the .env is okay, technically. Not frozen, you can tell by the little ear twitches. The preview window that I have is so small that I can't see them. But it is nice that it's not actually frozen right now. Okay, so what do I want to do with this one? First of all, why are you all there? That's not great. Oh, I need to actually like get in it this for all these things to take effect, don't I? Yeah, so much better. So interesting. Git ignore is ignored unless there's a actual like a Git repo. That's good to know. Okay, so for my source main, this was mostly for testing purposes. But if we go back and forth and we just sort of change these around. So you're going to go from change Helix font. Also, I'm actually curious. Was there a, not debug. Was there something here for making a change? Place selections by keyboard. No, I don't want to do that. Rename symbol. Okay, so I want to rename. Okay, so rename to change Helix theme. This will be change Alacrity. font. Oh, and that opened and updated main. So main just changed that too. Nice. And that worked there too. Okay, excellent. Also, cargo.toml, I want to update you. So you're not change Helix theme. You're not going to be change Alacrity font here. Okay, you're going to be okay. Why are you upset? Unresolved import. There is no change Alacrity font. Did I save you? I may not have saved you. I didn't save you. That's what it was. Okay. Okay. I guess next. New theme. Right. So Helix config path. I don't think I'm going to do the same thing there. I think we're just going to say, hey, you know what? This is going to be, we're going to pass in something for it. Let's do let, oh, this is going to be new, not new theme, new font. This is going to be the config file path. So if I just throw this in here, users, Berserker, config, Alacrity, font.toml. Change the Alacrity font. Okay. Config file path. New font. Okay. Now we go to library. We have you. So we get our config file. Okay, so load Helix config. I want to do rename symbols. This is going to be load. Let's just do this as load config. Loading the config into a file. I guess really it's just loading the config. This is config now. Okay, so we have theme value, value from new theme. So I kind of want to do new value. Instead of new theme, this is going to be new value stir. Or I just lose it right now. That could be okay. Okay, so theme. Okay, so you're not going to be theme anymore. You're going to be actually I don't like that. Let's just do this as font value.